Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and today we are bringing you the idea of sunflower home decor and we tried to collect a lot of ideas so it becomes easy for you to choose and to see and to judge what is beautiful and what is not. And we tried to collect items from the kitchen, from bathroom, living room, bedroom, and dining room. And we tried to collect the ideas which contains pictures of curtains and the wall decor which is in sunflower and the curtains and in the washrooms, in which the commodes and seats are made in beautifully sunflower theme, and sofas for living room, and they are just elegantly and beautifully made. And the beds and sofas are just two wonderful features of our video, that they are in complete flowered shape and they are different from one another, and there are beautiful wall themes for sunflower, and yellow theme in home definitely makes it vibrant and lively, and sofas and chairs in sunflower theme are just beautiful. And when it comes to washroom, even the tabs and the bathing cubes and the toilet seat and the comfy chairs, they all can be made in beautiful sunflower theme. And you can make your washing sinks in sunflower theme. And if you want to have a living room with sunflower theme, then you can have a variety of ideas of decorating your walls, of your tables, and uh, and if you have a desire to decorate your washroom with sunflower theme, then too, it's just a marvelous idea. And the designs available for pets in sunflower theme are just wonderful, and they are just this maximalist decor, and it's definitely going to cost you a price, but it's definitely beautiful and you will get what you want. And the beautiful paintings can be added on the glass tables, and the beds can be carved and designed, and specially designer beds are also available. And lavishly made beautiful washrooms can be made in sunflower theme. And the luxury beds, the luxury bathing tubs, and the luxury living room furniture or bedroom furniture, or the wall hangings, or the beautiful, elegantly designed bathing tubs, and even the wall cupboards. And this all can be made with wood, and these all designs are carved and made on wood. And we tried to collect the best and beautiful designs for you, so you can have a view and idea if you want to have a sunflower theme setting. And please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel if you like the video, so in future too we can bring such beautiful and amazing videos for you. Thank you.